I'm Charles, and this is the ChangeVlog. So we drove through the night. We made it to New York, and we're getting ready for the wedding. We're pretty excited. We're actually staying here at the Turning Stone Casino and Resort. It's pretty awesome, pretty phenomenal. As you can see behind me, I've got this big fountain here, and if you scan the lobby, there's a whole bunch of fountains and sitting areas and nice things that lead up to the gambling areas. And it's a pretty awesome area. Pretty excited to be here. My friend John's getting married in a few hours, and I'm pretty excited to go to that. We're high school friends. We've known each other since about 1993, and I'm pretty excited for him. I'm really happy that he's found someone that makes him happy and that you know, he feels he can spend the rest of his life with. That's a big deal. I'm pretty excited about it too, because we had a circle of friends that hung out in high school, and once we all graduated and went to college, and then graduated from college, we all moved to different areas. So I'm going to see my one friend from DC, one friend that lives in Dallas now. You know, I live out in the Chicago area. Even my friend John, who's getting married, he's lived all over the world. He's lived in Japan, Australia, Boston, LA. So it's pretty exciting that we're all going to be in one place again. So I'll catch up with you later and give you some more footage. Thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beautiful Ashley, who is going to be my date at the wedding today. Go ahead and say hi for everybody, Ashley. Go ahead and spin around in that beautiful dress.
Hi.
Hi. She went and bought that dress just for this wedding. Let's zoom in here. So, are you excited to go to the wedding and meet everybody today?
I'm very excited.
That's
I'm going to drink some drinks and eat some food and dance and have a good time.
That sounds fantastic.
Well, for coming today, it is my great pleasure to introduce you to Mr. Jonathan Edelman and Mrs. Caitlin Frenberg.
Wedding is over. They're still dancing up a storm in there, but you know, the ceremony's been over for a while. We've had dinner, dessert, cake. You know, my friend Jonathan's very musical, and he sang some beautiful songs to his wife. It was really nice, the whole thing. It was quite a journey to get here. I did some bonehead moves. For one, our hotel is way too far away from the vineyard where the wedding was held. 2, I actually forgot something I needed to wear today. Pants aren't important, and had to make a quick run, find a department store, and get a pair of pants before the wedding. So we were a little late, but I think everything worked out, and was here to support my friend and his new wife, and you know, in their new reunion. So I'm really excited for that. The best of luck. You know, I've given him a hug and told him how much I love him, and that I'm glad he's really happy, and it's really exciting. You know, you'd think after everything I've been through over the past year that weddings would be difficult for me, or that I'd be bitter or even skeptic. But I think in a way they give me hope to think that when the statistical numbers for a divorce are so high, and you've still got 2 people who believe they can overcome that number, who are willing to make that commitment and give it everything they have. And you can only hope that, you know, 9 years down the road when they're facing a difficult choice, that they'll make the right choice and they'll stick to the commitment and they'll keep their word. So I've got my fingers crossed, and I'm going to pray for John and Caitlin and their new union. And I hope that everything works out for them the way that they would want it to. I'm going to go ahead and sign off for tonight. Got a long drive back to the hotel. So thanks for watching again. But good night for now.